My question is, how do we get this to stay now? The wheels at an angle?
Okay, it'll stay.
Nope.
Hello, good people.
Hey.
Hi, good people.
It's Jonah. That's Jimmy.
My food's over there. Excuse me.
Is it really? Yeah. Okay. That's Jimmy. I'm Jonah. Yep. People got space to pass the door. We're blocking the door.
Hi.
But we're also in Atlanta. To be honest, Kennesaw.
Hello.
Kennesaw. Is this Kennesaw? Are we in Kennesaw? Yeah. We're in Kennesaw, and which is a suburb of Atlanta, if you don't know. What's the nearest crossroad?
Barrett Parkway and Cobb Parkway.
Barrett Parkway and Cobb Parkway. We're sorry, it was just you.
All right.
Barrett Parkway, Cobb Parkway, Kennesaw, Georgia, suburb of Atlanta.
One of the suburbs.
Okay,
One of the
there's
many.
like 3,000 of them.
It's massive over here, and
We're at
geology, baby.
JoJo Fritay.
With the peaches.
Okay, that's 140 Barrett. This is Barrett. This 140 Cobb Parkway, Kennesaw, Georgia. JoJo's Fritay.
Very difficult. I'm not gonna lie. To try to get these addresses.
Man,
down.
it's getting tough.
I'm not gonna lie. I went and got myself some lamb. No, it's not lamb. Excuse me.
You ain't gonna do the pull up?
I'm doing the pull up. You don't see I'm getting the pull up formation.
Oh damn! Here we go. Don't knock.
I have to redo that. I told you already. It is Barrett.
It's Barrett. Oh, okay. It's his fault. We got it wrong. 1200 Ernest West Barrett Parkway, number 140, Northwest. Okay, I hope we got that right. Just Google JoJo's Fritay, Kennesaw. Everyone will be all right. James got the turkey.
Turkey, yes I did.
All right.
Deary John.
Of course. Today.
On the side. Today, I'm not a John.
Told you what happened to your white rice situation.
No. I got turkey.
White rice, I said.
I don't do white rice with turkey. Listen. I have a philosophy. Listen, if I'm eating a dried viand, meaning like turkey, tassel, no sauce.
What is this? This is
that's
the
what I
turkey.
want. That's my shit.
Give me my damn. I'm like.
Excuse me, guys. I gotta redo this.
You showed them mine. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, we got the shopping cart because it was a lot. So the shopping cart's gonna hold our food up. I got the John with the goat, the tassel. James got the turkey with the plantains, the bun on the pizzy.
I'm not gonna lie, I think these are sweet plantains.
Oh shit, that's different.
These are sweet plantains.
Damn.
And they thick.
Damn. They thick like a South Florida Haitian woman.
This is a patty.
A Majo who know how to mop the house. Hey, okay, one Kia, okay, one of them. We gonna see what this is about. Oh, we also have G
Grandan.
and we got some macaroni. So we gonna.
I got some Fritay here, some Fritay balls.
Oh, we gonna see what it's all about today.
This is the Haitian version of corn fritters.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Yep.
They pickles look decent. Let me go ahead and see what this all about. I know we kind of far away, but the sun.
It's hot.
The sun. We gonna see what this about.
A little bit. Take a bite of the turkey.
A little bit of pickles. See what it's all about. Don't want. Oh wow. Oh
good.
wow. Oh wow.
This is good.
She smells like heaven too.
I'm very satisfied right now.
Oh wow.
I'm extremely satisfied.
This is the
Damn. That's special.
that pickles though. Whoa.
I'm gonna try this Fritay real quick.
Let me see what yeah. Oh damn. Oh damn. What's going on here?
You know?
It's tender as hell.
Let me tell y'all something, man.
Oh damn.
Very rarely do I take a piece of something, I take a piece of everything and I'm satisfied all the way around.
Hold on.
There's nothing here that I don't like.
Hold on here.
Let's see, hold on.
Shake it up a little bit. Hold on here. Macaroni.
I ain't gonna lie. I like my gunja to be a little. I want my gunja to make me want to put water in it. This don't make me do that. It don't make me want to do that.
So they ain't over secret again,
Yeah, I like to be over secret so I can create my own little formula.
Cannot find my damn straw.
But with that being said, it's still good.
Uh-huh.
But I like it to be like, ooh, this is pure.
That honorary spin. Spin cycle. They used to call me that on court. I'm serious, real. They used to call me spin cycle. You just spin on them niggas.
You shouldn't be able to see through your gunja. Shouldn't be able to. I can see through this.
Let's chase this gunja and see what's happening.
I've had better gunja, man. They ain't bad. I had better.
Okay. I see what's up. I see.
All right, brother.
What'd you order, man?
The soup, because they only serve it on Sundays.
What kind of soup?
The
Bouillon?
Yeah.
Bouillon.
On Sunday?
Ginger drink. I love the okra.
Okay.
Bouillon.
Black rice.
If you had to give this place a rating out of 1 to 10, what would you do?
I give it
10?
I really
Come on, man.
A
Don't
tip,
we
man,
being
you
honest
think
around here.
Everything is great.
You cool with
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
You American?
My wife is Haitian.
Come in here. Oh.
You get your ass up in here.
Come on, man. Show some love to the people.
You
So
got-
your wife introduced you to the Haitian life, and now you're stuck on it.
It's stuck on it. This is I cannot drive past here, get me a ginger drink, or get me some plantain and some pickles.
Yeah.
Or
What are you talking about? You know
a
it.
chicken and some pickles and some rice.
Man.
On a
You got
Friday.
excited again?
I
The
like-
chicken, the pickles.
I love it, bro. I
On
love
a
it.
Friday.
Bro. The Fritay.
And then the soup. I'd never had the soup until this past New Year's.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait, that's orange.
I came for the soup.
That's jumu. It's the orange
Is that what he
soup.
said? Is that what you
Boy, I said bouillon.
Bouillon. Bouillon on Saturday.
Jumu.
This
That's jumu.
okay.
Big,
It's
big,
orange,
big
right?
noodles?
I just eat it. I don't know. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, that's the jumu.
That's jumu.
Some beef in there.
Yeah. He
That's
see
good stuff right
So,
there. With
but
some
I-
bread?
but just the sides.
Yeah.
I mean, the meat's
the
great.
sides will fill you up.
Rice,
Everything, you
The
know.
But the
plantains.
okra.
Yeah.
You like the aqua?
The okra, man. I've never.
Man,
Yeah,
I'm
okra
glad,
is-
man. I'm glad you
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Keep,
Hey,
keep
man.
enjoying the culture,
So
man.
you guys are doing.
James and Jonas, man.
James and Jonas, literally. Yep. James and Jonas.
All right, brother.
Woo!
10.
10.
Wow.
Once you go Haitian, I don't even know what to rhyme with that.
You ain't gonna
just
have no patience for the food.
if that.
Reds, yes. Yes, it
He screamed out, red snapper.
All right, so look.
I tasted everything here.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this call going. We're gonna see. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with the food. I'm gonna go ahead and give the food. I've been giving so many 7s, but unfortunately, I have to go ahead and give another 7 flat on the head.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good, man. I'm very happy. Sweet plantain, I didn't even know it was sweet, but you see how thick the plantain is? You see how thick that is? It's a thick piece of plantain.
Damn. Okay.
That in the car.
Let me be honest with y'all. This is an 8-3. You heard me correct. Good shit. This is good shit. 8-3. That was so far the most tender.
8-3.
8-3. Oh, yeah. Now you just registered? That's an 8-3. That's the most tender tasso I've ever had. It literally just bit. The pickles were perfect. Okay, the sauce on that pickles are perfectly pickled. Perfectly pickled pickles. And then the rice was amazing. Like the rice has the consistency. Some people make their rice pot like sticky, and some people make it too glenny, like real, like one piece of rice.
It's beaten.
Yeah, this is perfect. All right, that was perfect. The macaroni could be a little more salty. I like my blood pressure a little high.
Yeah.
Okay, I need my tension.
You wanna, yeah.
Raise me up a little bit. Let my heart beat.
Hypertension.
Okay. And the good I'll give that. This is good. James likes the secret.
Yeah,
This is right on the head.
I want it to be pure, and I'm like, damn, what? Let me put some water in it. Now I got a full cup again.
8-3 from Jonah. You said 7 on the head.
7 flat.
Wow, that's the biggest disparity we've had.
Yeah, I know, right?
From each other. Yeah, wow. That's incredible.
The Fritay was pretty good. It wasn't bad. I like the taste. It's a little spicy, which is how Fritay should be all the time.
And then if y'all don't want that, they have a shit. Look at this. Let me read it out real quick.
Illustration.
Haitian restaurants. Look, this place is in the middle of Georgia, Trump Town, and they're right here. Get it right, dude. This is how a restaurant should look.
And I'm looking at their Google profile, and it looks good. 4.4 star rating. JoJo's Fritay. I mean, I see some reviews here.
1200. I got it wrong earlier. 1200 Ernest West Barrett Parkway, Northwest 140. Okay, good. Google's JoJo's Fritay.
They on Grubhub too.
Pate corded chicken, oxtail, turkey wings, macaroni, mayonnaise, akra, sweet potato soup, jumu, red snapper, guyo, lambi, and boulet.
They good, man. You see this?
They close on Mondays. They need their own time. Okay, they're not all. It ain't 24 hours a day, 7 days.
Tired from the Sunday service.
Feeding everybody. Now we about to do the ring test. How many rings? I hear it inside too. Let me poke my head in here.
There we go.
Mr. Hulk, man.
All right, Hulk. Keep it easy. Check out Hungry Hulk.
That's our Hulk reviewer friend. What was your Instagram again?
Hulk Hungry. Hulk Hungry.
Hulk Hungry. Y'all follow him because we followed him.
Good guy.
Good guy. See you at the top.
All right. Oh, Fritay.
They picked up.
Fritay, you know, Fritay, I want you to know that you are the first person to ever pick up a phone call on our good shit food review.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
We are right outside the store, and you are the first restaurant ever.
We're recording, right?
The first restaurant ever to pick up a phone call on good shit, James Jonas.
We love that.
That is great service, man. That is great service.
Well,
We're going to make it better.
he's inside talking to him right now.
That is great service.
He's in there.
You guys need to come down
Look
to
at
JoJo
this.
Fritay.
Look at that's him right
Right
there.
there on the phone.
He's right there.
You need to come pick up a plate from JoJo Fritay right now.
Too many.
Only one restaurant maybe where you can find a mango fluffy.
Mango Fancy.
Come over here. I heard you were saying.
That is amazing.
I saw you guys on thing last night. And then he said, I was like, okay, maybe
All right, brother. Well,
oh no.
I don't know if you remember.
Come on, we're gonna take a photo.
I didn't even bring my phone.
Hello, beautiful. What's your name?
good stuff, man.
What's
Good
your
stuff,
name?
man. Good stuff.
Boom. Oh, he's
Let me
strong.
go get my phone.
All right.
This is just great service here at JoJo Fritay. You gotta come on down to JoJo Fritay. What you got in your hand?
Two mango flussy in Georgia.
What?
This is in Georgia.
Georgia mangoes, man.
It's supposed to be the peaches, and we got mango flussy in
He said the only
Georgia.
one. Where you can find it?
This is incredible. And we got look, these people. This is what you call,
Service, you know-
home away from home.
Customer service gonna make me bump this up to a 7.5. Just on the customer service alone.
I ain't gonna say.
It's hard to find.
I'm not gonna tell y'all what he rated y'all. Okay, y'all gonna be my friend after y'all see this.
I rated you
You'll
really
be-
good. I rated you guys really good. I rated.
What'd you rate? Tell
I
the
rated a
truth.
7, but because of the
Okay,
customer service,
okay.
I went to a 7.5.
Okay.
8.3 off the rip.
That's good. That's good.
8.3 off the
That's
rip.
good. If
got
we're closer to Florida, then I'll be like, 9, we need a 10.
Come on,
Come
now.
on in here. Come on. Let's go, Mama. Come on.
Get in the middle.
Come
Thank you
on.
guys. Come here, Eva.
Move this good food out the way.
Aw, thank you so much, you guys.
It's all good. It's all good.
Rose, I'm gonna go. Hold on a second.
Been practicing these poses for years. I've waited all my life to pose with Mingo. Waited all my life for this.
You guys look familiar. I was like, I swear I've seen them before.
Yeah, when you asked, you said, did we come here yesterday?
I seen him. Was it
Nah,
yesterday?
this is great, man, because not too many times we get good food with good customer service.
Yeah, man.
Haitians don't.
Down there it's a little tough, a little rough.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, but we don't want to let people know we coming. So now you over prepare the food.
Yeah, like-
we want to get the food how you normally cook it.
Yeah.
And wow, man.
Well, you guys fooled me, so I wouldn't know. All right, thank you, you guys.
Absolutely.
problem.
Great
Thank
to
you.
meet
Where
you.
you going, Lonnie?
Eva,
Where you going?
Eva.
We don't know what's on that side.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye,
you.
bye, mom. Boom.
Well, let us know before you leave, okay?
Absolutely.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
We just had a whole situation here at JoJo's Fritay, a beautiful situation. I got 2 mangoes. To
No,
take on the
nigga,
road.
you got one. What are you talking about?
I got 1 mango to take with
You
me.
say you got 2 mangoes.
And look, JoJo's Fritay again, suburb of Atlanta, Kennesaw. Make sure y'all come out. support, and you can see the love, man. That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about. No,
And this is good shit. Shame on you for a 7.
no, I said 7.5. I said 7.5.
Embarrassing that they came out and asked for it, huh? Let's roll
It's
this.
not embarrassing at
Let's
all.
go ahead and roll
I'm gonna
this
be
food
completely
on
honest
home.
with you. Guys, other restaurants, customer service.
Step your shit up.
Customer
And they
service.
picked up.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. God damn it.